Okay, this is a box of some eyepieces. Let's open and see. Okay, let's see what we have here. What we have here is books, actually, books about the moon. What we have here, hopefully, is something to help us observe the moon. So, feeder. Oh, what is this? A pack. Another pack. Another pack. Another pack. And the rest of it is nothing, rubbish. Okay, we have 4 packages, 2 large, 2 small. So let's open the large ones. Or should I open from the small ones? Yeah, I'll open the small ones first. This is unboxing of a Konig eyepiece. So let's see what is inside and we see how it looks. Okay, now it's coming out. Ooh. Let me just remove this. Okay, this is a Konig eyepiece, 2mm. Oh, look at the glass. Ooh. 2-inch Japanese University Optics. Oh, 32mm Konig, 2 multi-coated. University Optics was closed in America because practically he wrote in his email what was the reason for that in a letter to everyone, telling that you guys, I know that you are paying a lot of money just for your insurance, health insurance. That's ridiculous amount, and I don't think anybody is left with anything in America for spending their money on hobbies like astronomy. So shut his business. Now look at the quality of the image. You can see through this. Two-inch. And I can see that the coating is kind of, yeah, magenta, kind of reddish dark coating. That is a better quality than the green ones. So I'm really curious now to see how it looks. Let's see how. Oh, look at that field lens. Let me show the field stop. It's in the bottom. Oh, look at the field stop, how sharp it is. Yeah, that's good, that's good. University Optics makes one of the best eyepieces in the industry, so I'm looking forward to use this. I mean, used to make it, Japanese ones. Lovely eyepiece. Looking forward to test it. Okay, this is the University Optics Konig 2 32mm 2-inch barrel size, fully multi-coated eyepiece on a Skywatcher EDAT f600mm apochromatic or semi-apochromatic eyepiece, so telescope. Let's go and see how it looks, the image. So this is a 32mm University Optic Konig.
There's also food for thought with EU countries locked in debate over a financial recovery package. France and Italy believe there should have been more support for states hit hardest by the crisis. And even more Germans agree than disagree with the idea. Respondents in all
I think the quality of image is astounding. So that's the way the image looked. It's beautiful. I like the image quality. 32mm is really good, wide angle. And I didn't feel that in any corner of it there was a distortion or anything. And the view through the visual eyepiece without any camera or anything was superb. And I think that it showed some of it in the a camera video that I showed you. Based on the memory that I have from eyepieces with 70 degrees and Morpheus which is 76 degrees, I think this eyepiece also has a field of at least above 68 degrees, 70 most probably, or even more.